Assalamu alaikum everyone. Open your English book. This is unit number 1, Anwar streams exercises. Okay, so open page number 4. Before this, you have to do words to know into your notebook. Okay, Anwar's the dream. Okay, words to know. These words to know you have to do into your notebook. This is your homework. Okay, like this you have to write. Okay, unit name, here write words to know, words meanings. Okay, biting, using teeth to cut into something. Counting, saying the numbers one after the other. Nodding, letting your head fall forwards when tired. Okay, like this you have to do words to know. Okay, now again come on page number 4. Exercise number A. Answer the following questions. Okay, questions. These are questions you have to give these questions answers. Okay, like this you have to write in your notebook. Okay, classwork, unit number 1, Anwar stream. Answer the following questions. Where is Anwar? Answer is Anwar is in his garden. Question number B. What is Anwar counting? Anwar is counting the ants. Number C. Where are the ants? Answer. The ants are climbing the dead tree. Okay. Question number D. What sounds does Anwar make? Ouch, ouch, ouch. Zzz, wow, wow, wow. Okay. What happens to Anwar? The ants bite Anwar. Okay, this you have to do in your notebook. Okay, exercise number 3. Read these sentences aloud, copy them in the correct order into your notebook. Okay, these sentences you have to read aloud. Okay, Anwar is closing his eyes. Anwar is counting ants. Anwar is in his garden. Anwar is dreaming. So first, which one sentence will come in the place of A? Okay, Anwar is closing his eyes. Anwar is counting ants. Anwar is in his garden. So this sentence will come in place of A. Okay, this sentence. Okay, in the okay, this one sentence you have to write here. Okay, in the place of A. Okay, after this sentence, which sentence will come? Anwar is counting ants. Okay, this is written in correct order, this sentence. Okay, this sentence come in place of B. Okay, it is correct. After this sentence, which sentence will come? Anwar is dreaming. Anwar is closing his eyes. This one. Okay, after second one, this sentence will come in place of C. Okay, and last one is Anwar is dreaming. This one sentence is correct. Okay, this sentence is written in correct order. Okay, come on page number 5. Exercise number B, working with words. Read the words aloud. Do you know what they mean? These words you have to read aloud. Okay, garden, aunt, closing, present, false, under, climbing, high, mother, shouts, banana, dead, thinking, branch, wax, leaf, counting, sleeping, chopping, biting, looking, nodding, dream, hacks, and dance. Okay, read the words again. Now write them in your notebook. Can you spell them all correctly? Exercise number C, learning about language using a or an. Okay, how you have to use a or an. A and an, these are called articles. Okay, these are article words, and both words meaning is same. Okay, for one we use a and an. Okay, So first of all, I will tell you vowel letters and consonant letters about. Okay, about vowel letters and consonant letters. How many vowel letters are there? There are 5 vowel letters: A, E, I, O, U. Okay, A, E, I, O, U. And how many consonants are there? 21. Okay. Uh, this is basket, basket, basket. Okay, so basket's first letter is B. So B is a consonant letter, so before consonant letter we will write hey. Okay, hen, hag. Hag first letter is vowel, so before vowel letter we will write hen. Copy the words from exercise 8.1 into your notebook. Write he or hen before the name of each thing. Okay, do not write he or hen before the words that are not things. Okay, this is your classwork. Write he or hen before the name of each thing. Okay, you have to write he and hen before the name of each thing. Okay, these are things name and you have to write he before each thing. Okay, garden first letter is G, so G is consonant letter. Before consonant letter write he. Banana, banana. Hand, hand. Hand, haunt. Okay, is a vowel letter, so before vowel letters we will write han. Okay, a branch, a present, a leaf, an eye, an X. Okay, like this you have to do this one in your notebook. Okay, this is your classwork. Listen to the words and repeat them aloud. Say the vowel sounds carefully. Okay, these are vowel sounds. A, E, I, O, U. Okay, these are vowel letters and you have to say the vowel sounds carefully. Okay, bag, leg, pit, hot, cup, hat, bed, sit, not, bus, red, red, nip, log, jug. Okay, let her friend say the following words aloud. Listen carefully to each word, then write it in the correct list in exercise D2. Okay, tap, pot, tan, top, zip, tin, bun, sun, pan, man. Okay, these listen these vowel sounds carefully, then write it in the correct list in exercise number D. Okay, this one. Okay, so bag, hat, red, tap, man, leg, bed, red, tan, pan. Okay, like this. Zip, the tin, pit, sit, nip, zip, tin, hot, not, log, top, pot, cup, bus, jug, bun, sun. Like this you have to write. Okay, come on page number 8. Activity. Here is the activity for you. Okay, read the following words, then draw faces to show them. Okay, you have to draw faces to show them. Read the following words. Okay, happy, sad, angry, me, then draw faces to show them like this. Okay, happy face, like this you have to draw a happy face, then sad face, angry, and me, like this you have to draw faces. Okay, then write their names. Okay, number 2, write a sentence about each picture. Okay, you have to write sentences about each picture. Okay, sentence number 1, I am very happy, this one. Okay, second one is sad, Tom is sad. Third one is angry, my friend is angry with me. Fourth one is me. my father bought a gift for me. Okay, like this you have to do this one on your textbook. Okay, thank you. Allah Hafiz.